Today is 15th of August and today is the day from when those who have taken both the shots of their vaccine will be allowed and able to travel in Mumbai's local trains. Now it was actually in the month of March last year that for the first time in the history of local trains, the services were suspended because of coronavirus. It was only in the month of June last year that the services resumed only for government employees and essential services people, and after that after few months the services resumed for common people, but only for a restricted time period. Since then, there were a lot of talks, there were a lot of debates, a lot of protests, a lot of discussions to start the services again for common people and for the entirety of the services throughout the day. Now, talking about who exactly will be allowed to board the train, those who have taken both the shots of their vaccine, and it has been more than 14 days since the last shot, since the second dose of their vaccine, those people will be allowed to take the local train here. Right now we are at Dadar, and as I said that since today onwards, people are allowed to take the local train. Now how exactly people can avail those services? Both via online and offline registration. So talking about online registration, people have to register themselves online with the help of their vaccination certificate, their photo ID card, and they will be given a monthly pass. Now talking about how this has to be done offline, there are various help desks which are set up on various railway stations in Mumbai. There people can walk in, they will have to show their complete vaccination certificate, they will have to show their photo ID card, they will get a monthly pass, and from there they can avail the services of local train. Now the reason that local services have started is a symbol of how things are returning to normalcy. Talking about local train, the lifeline of this metro city, of the satellite city, is an extremely crucial part, whether it's not just actually a mode of transportation, it's a very crucial economic, there's a very crucial economic aspect to it also. And since last year, the services were not fully operational, people were not completely allowed to take the services, but now from today onwards, from Independence Day onwards, people with both the doses and 14 days of the last dose will be allowed to take the services. Now, if we talk about today, unfortunately, because it's Sunday and today is the day when actually local train services undergo maintenance, not many local trains are there on Dadar railway station, and the place is also extremely less crowded. But those who are not from Mumbai, let me tell you, this is not how Dadar railway station looks like at all. It is always buzzing. It's one of the most crowded railway stations in the city. But today, as I said, because of Sunday, there are very few people and very few local trains which are there on the platforms, on the tracks. But this is not how it's going to look like from tomorrow onwards, tomorrow being Monday, and specifically during peak hours. It's going to be extremely different, and the city, this is a symbol that the city is finally returning back to normalcy.